Entre Labores. Today we are going to do this very nice cable strap with the leftover yarns that we have on house. So stay with me to see what we are going to need. Look what beautiful idea to make. This is to, to wrap the cables. You can make it in any size with little buttons, nice and neat. So to do this, we need any kind of yarn that you have left over, nice colors, contrasting colors that will look beautiful. So this particular yarn is in cotton and is number 2. I'm using also number 2.25 needle, a pair of scissors. Then I have some very nice buttons, but you can use whatever buttons you have, and also this to measure, the size of what we are going to make. So stay with me to see how we start. To start, we are going to make a slip knot. I'm doing it this way. Then we are going to make 9 chains. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 chains. This last chain we're going to leave it there, and we are going to start with the number 8 chain to do a single stitch. All this row will be with a single stitch. So this way. Remember, the single stitch is this way. Hey friends, remember to subscribe and to leave me your comments below. Here, this is the last one. So when we get to the last one, we are going to make 1 chain, turn around, and do single stitch again on the second row, and we will do this for the next 15 rows. Or we are going to measure to see how long do we want it. So we are see each other on the number 15 row, okay? Now it's time to measure. This one is around 2 inches. So I finished my 15 rows, and I see that I need maybe a few more rows to get to 2 inches. You can make it any length you want, but this one particular is 2 inches. So let's make around 3 more rows before we keep going, okay? So let's make the same 3 more rows. Just go one chain, turn around, and do the single stitch all around all these rows, and then do the same for the next 3 rows, and we'll see each other on the next 3 rows, okay? I finished my other 3 rows, and now I have around 2 inches long. So I'm going to, next step, I'm going to take another piece of yarn and do like this. You pass it over, do like this. Okay, pull this and take the long one, do 1 chain, pull this one, and turn around the same way we have been doing. And these 2, we are going to hide it with our single stitch in this way. Okay, this way. Remember, if you don't understand something, please leave me your comments and I will gladly answer whatever question you have about this project. So look, we are hiding these two yarns until we get to the end, so in that way it will look nicer. This way. So now we have this up to the end in the corner, and we are going to do one chain, and in the same hole we are going to do another single stitch, and we are going to keep going this way. So right now I'm going to cut this one that we don't need it anymore, and keep doing the single stitch until the end, and we see each other here. We are getting here until the end here. This is the last one. So when we get here, we are going to make one chain, and in the same hole we are going to make another single crochet to do the turn. Now that we are here, we are going to make around 7 chains. We want to get until here, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We see here. Okay, we are going to make this way another chain, another single stitch here, one chain, and in the same hole another single stitch this way. Okay, and then we are going to keep going the same way we did here until we get here and we see each other here. We hit the end. Now we're going to do our last one and close here with a slip stitch like this. Cut our yarn, do a knot, pull, and then this we are going to hide it later. Okay, look how beautiful it's looking. So now to finish this, we are going to do the following. We're going to put our needle here, and we are going to take our yarn, pass it over, take the long one, do as one chain, and take the short yarn and put it here to hide it, and we are going to do this all around until the end. Pull it so it will look very nice and neat. So we see each other here to finish. Now we are at the end, so our last stitch will be take our needle, put it here in the middle, pull, pass over, and then cut your yarn. And I like to do this little one again, and then pull hard, so in this way it will look very nice. Look, let's cut this, hide this a little bit, and then we cut it so it will look nice and neat. Okay, look how it looks. Beautiful, right? So right now let's choose one of our buttons, maybe this one. I think I like this little owl. It's super nice. So I'm going to put it here in this way, so when you pass it over you will do this. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let me grab my needle. with the same color yarn. So I'm going to do this, pass it here. If it's a regular button, you will do the same with a regular button, okay? This one is a little bit more fancy because I like them to look nice. Sometimes I like to do this to give us a gift, like 5 or 6 of them, and it's a nice gift. So let me pull here a little bit. I do a knot here, so in this way, very tight. Let me see it again. Pass it over again, do 2 times, so we make sure that this won't slip or move. Look how nice. Okay, let's make another knot, and we are finished. Friends, remember to subscribe so we can keep doing these videos. I have a lot of videos in Spanish. This is my first one in English. I hope you like it. I'm sorry if you don't understand some words, but I will try to make it better next time. So at this moment, let's cut everything. Look how nice it looks. I hope you like it and make it. Bye. See you soon.